welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing another Halloween recipes and I'm going to show you how to make some bat wings. So let's get started. So they're not actually bat wings, they're actually chicken wings, but we're going to be turning them all spooky, ready for Halloween. So I've got my chicken wings in a dish ready to go into the fridge to be marinated, but we need to make that marinade up. So with any chicken wings, you always need to start with some hot sauce, and I've chosen sriracha, this is my favourite flavour. But you can use whatever hot sauce that you like. And to that I'm going to be adding some hoisin sauce, to give it a nice sticky sweet flavour, some soy sauce, and all the quantities will be down below if you need those. I've got some sesame oil, and I got some honey. All going to go in together. It's nice and easy, this recipe. I'm just going to add just a squirt of lime, we don't want too much, just to give it some freshness. We're going to mix that all up. And then to make it nice and spooky, we're going to be using some black food colouring. So this is Sugar Flares Extra Black. Any gel food colouring will work. Just going to mix that in. So you can see that's gone nice and black now to make our bat wings. And I'm just going to pour this whole marinade over our chicken. Now if you want it to be a little bit less messy, because this is going to get very messy in a minute, you could put this in a Ziploc bag instead. And I'm going to give this a good mix with my hands now. I'm going to pop the lid on and put these in the fridge, preferably overnight, but at least 3 or 4 hours to marinate. So our bat wings have been marinating overnight for a couple of hours. And pop them onto our tray. They're looking very spooky already. I'm going to use a bit more of this marinade just to cover them. So I'm going to pop these in a preheated oven now for 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees fan. There's our bat wings all cooked. Can't wait to try one of these. Wow, these look so spooky. So my bat wings, or my zombie chicken wings are ready. So let's tuck in. They're sticky and sweet, just a hint of spice, and the chicken is just beautifully moist. Well, thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you want to see any more of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post every week. Have a lovely Halloween, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.